Hey my skincare buddies, how you guys doing? So I was about to soak my feet and just give it a little bit of, TLC with all the walking I've been doing, which is very good for me, but I also wanted to take it off my feet at the same time. Now, I know that for most people, some of the body maintenance in terms of self-care that people do out there, or they show us, on the internet, going to a spa, going to for foot massage and stuff like that, it can be quite pricey, but there are things that you can still do at home using ingredients around the house. Like I always have Himalayan salt or Epsom salt, and all you do is just to add an essential oil and you've got yourself a soak for your body and for your feet. The one that I was using now is something that I've done for myself already. It's just a mixture of Epsom salt and lavender essential oil, just a few drops, and you've got yourself a soak. So there are so many budget-friendly ways to save money if you want to do self-care, especially DIY self-care. Of course, you have to be careful with the ingredients. Know the ingredients, do a little bit of a test to make sure that it's not going to irritate your skin or mess up with your pH, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I just wanted to share that little bit with you guys, that self-care, it doesn't have to be expensive or unaffordable. You can do things with the ingredients that you already have, and you can also buy certain products that are within your means, so you don't have to go and break a bank for that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. You can go ahead and watch some of, I think I have 2 videos where I share DIY products that I've done for myself at home, and you can watch that video, and also I'll put another one on the cards, and you can go ahead and watch that and see if it's something that you want to do. I do in the future also want to do and create other products at home, and I will share that with you guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in another one. Bye.